Hello everyone. So I welcome you all again to this video of me taking you one step ahead to the French language learning. Okay. So if you're planning to go to France, then you should be aware of its geography, some facts about France, and I'm going to tell you about some facts, some important facts about the French culture. So this is your La Carte de la France. This is the map of France. So, do you find something unusual about the shape of the France? Yes, it is in the shape of a hexagon. So, hexagon is the synonym for France. France is often called hexagon because of its shape. It is situated between the Mediterranean Sea on one side and English Channel on the other side. Now, certain facts about France. Capital of France is Paris, that is Paris. Museum is, it's very famous for its museums, and the two important museums are La Louvre, Musée d'Orsay. If you have ever read some books about the French writers, all these museums and everything is always mentioned there. So La Louvre and Musée d'Orsay are two of the very important museums in Paris. Now, certain landmarks in Paris is La Tour Eiffel, Notre Dame. All of you must have heard about the Eiffel Tower. So it is La Tour Eiffel and Notre Dame. Now, France is very famous for its wines. So La Bourgogne, La Bordeaux, La Vin Rouge, La Vin Blanche, white and red wine, everything. So wine is an important part of the French culture. Now, one of the important characteristics of French food is the cheese there. There are about 350 varieties of cheese, la fromage. So, France is very famous for its variety of cheese, that is fromage. Now, la camembert, la gruyere, la brie are some of the important varieties of cheese eaten there. Okay, so France is very famous for the cheese. Now, fashion. You must have heard a la mode, Paris. Paris is the fashion capital of the world. Okay, so Christian Dior, Yves Saint Laurent, and many other brands. They are all Parisian brands. So France is famous for its fashion. Now the currency of France is l'euro. L'euro means euro, the euro. So currency of France in French language is l'euro. French flag is bleu, blanc, rouge. It's the same tricolor as the Indian flag, but it's blue, white, and red. Bleu, blanc, rouge. And La Fête Nationale, that is the Republic Day of France. The national festival is La 14 Juillet, 14th July. La 14 Juillet. And if you are really interested in studying about the French culture, you must read some books on the French Revolution, which is an integral part of French culture. Okay, so then you will understand the importance of La Fête Nationale, La 14 Juillet for the French people. Okay, because this was the day when the monarchy was overthrown in France, and everybody, all the kings and their relatives and their children were killed. They were just guillotine. Guillotine means they were cut from the throat. All of them were just cut. Okay, so this is some facts about French culture. So we'll be continuing with many more lessons like this. Just stay tuned. Thanks for listening. Merci. Au revoir.